Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to discuss PF55, that is again on the vulnerability section. But in the previous section we talked about common client vulnerabilities. So we covered like session 1 to 7. So in this we'll just talk about the vulnerabilities on the protected resource side and what are the practical implementation we can do to prevent those vulnerabilities. So yeah, I think there are four sections here. So we'll just cover one by one section and I hope you understand that part. And these are really important things. Maybe we are not doing much practical things in these sessions, but yeah, these informations are very important. When you're going to implement any solution, you need to keep these things in your mind so that you can just at least mitigate those vulnerabilities, right? You can't make the system 100% secure, right? But at least if you know these things, you can mitigate those vulnerabilities which already defined in the past, right? So yeah, let's begin and we can discuss more. So let's discuss on this common protected resources vulnerabilities, that is PF55. So let's quickly jump to the next slide. So in the previous section, as I just told, we have reviewed common attacks against OAuth clients. Now we'll see how to protect a resource server and defend against common attacks targeting OAuth protected resources. So in this section, we are going to learn how to design resource endpoints to minimize the risk of token spoofing and token replay. We'll also see how we can leverage modern browsers protection mechanism to make the designer's life easier. So if you know these all vulnerabilities, the system you are designing, that is again free from the vulnerability. So in this section, we are just going to talk four things. So first is PF55 part 1, that is how are protected resource vulnerable. Then PF55 part 2, that is design of a protected resource endpoint. And then we have under there one subpart of PF55 part 2, that is 2.1, how to protect a resource endpoint. And then we can discuss on token replace. So yeah, once we cover all these sections, you'll understand how we can, what practical implementation we can do to yeah just make our resource free from the vulnerability. So yeah, let's jump to the next section and we can discuss the part 1. Thank you.